Hello together. Today I'm going to show you how you can track time multiple ways. And first of all, I would like to show you how you can track time from the issue view. And I already have an issue, and there are multiple possibilities how you can track time. And I would start with our timer feature. And yeah, it's really easy to use the timer. You should just click on play button and your timer is running. And there is the second option to track your time from the custom worklogs panel. There are multiple options to see already created worklogs. As you can see, there are a lot of columns and you can get a lot of information from this view. You can see the team comments, see the offer, and also spend time. And we have billable worklog attribute, and your worklogs, which are marked as billable, will be shown here with this bills icon. There are multiple group options, group by date, by team, by author, and also you can, for example, hide some worklogs. For example, if you are a team member, you might be interested in this option, show only my worklogs, because if you have only team members permission, in this case, worklogs of every team member who track time in the same ticket will be shown for you as hidden. And yeah, to disable this information, you can just select this option. For example, you see some worklogs are not there anymore. But to log time, you can use this log work button. You should just click on it, and our model dialog appears with some pre-selected data. For example, team will be pre-selected with your last selection. I can change it and select any other teams, for example, sales team. And as I'm a team lead in this team, I can assign a worklog to another colleague, to a team member from my team. And I just type spend time. I add a comment and click on save. And worklog panel is reloading. And you can see this created worklog in this panel. Let's come back to the timer. We can stop this timer anytime. And in this case, we will see that our calculated time is pre-selected in spend time field. I can also type a comment and click on save. And my worklog will be created and I'll see